Want to make your own grocery app but don't know how? You don't know coding, you don't know technical thing, how to make your grocery app. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to make your complete grocery app using AI for free. Yes, this video, we are going to tell you how to make your grocery app for free using AI. So yeah, let's get started. If you are a beginner, you are a student, you don't have very much money, you can make your MVP, a basic solution not for business, just for learning purpose, your own grocery application. So yeah, go to this link. Now click on this and now enter this prompt like this. You can find the prompt in the description below and you can also comment below if you are not able to find the prompt. My team will send you the prompt. So now let's go ahead and now enter this. So we can see this thing, this AI just made without me knowing any knowledge of technical or coding. So this type of application you can make, and now if you want to do any changes like this, you can do changes. And yeah, like this you can make your own app. Now if you want to download it on your phone, you can download by connecting USB or you can share the link to your friends and family and they can open. So that is how you can make your own MVP solution just for training purpose, learning purpose. But if you are a serious business owner, you want to have online payment, admin, stock, all the features that a business needs, this MVP solution have it. So if you want to do that, you need to hire an expert. You want to make your app like this. Customer can search your item, chat with AI to know details, chat with AI item, track the order. He can track the order. He can see the coupons, the categories, all of these features for admin. From where you can add your item, your stock, your orders and everything. You need to hire a developer and we can help you in that. We can make your complete app live like this. We have made hundreds of apps live on the Play Store and we can make your app also. If you want to just make an MVP, you can follow this video. But if you want to make a complete business apps, you can contact us and make your app like this. We have single vendor, multi-vendor, both solution available in grocery and food delivery and multiple home delivery business. Our latest app also have AI chatbot, price drop alert feature, OTP login, upload list and make an order, AI search, and a lot more feature. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today. Number is showing on the screen and make your home delivery application today.